Hello everyone, today let's make chicken Malai Handi the restaurant style at home with minimal ingredients and in absolutely no time. The cream is optional, the curry tastes just as fine without it. So without further ado, let's get cooking. For this recipe, I have about 600 grams of chicken thighs washed and cleaned, and I'm marinating this with some pepper and salt and mixing it and keeping it aside for a while. While that is marinating, let's add some oil in a pan. To this I'm adding 1 big onion sliced and about 3 green chillies roughly cut. Saute them well. To this I'm adding about 10 cashew nuts and giving this a good mix and frying them until the onions are cooked. Once they are cooked, blend them into a smooth paste in a blender by adding a little water at a time. Don't make it very runny, keep it thick and creamy as much as possible. It should look something like this. Keep it aside. Now in the same pan, add some oil and add some whole garam masala of choice. I have bay leaf, cardamom and cinnamon and cloves as well. To this add about 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste. Fry them in the oil well. Once the raw smell goes away, we can add the blended mixture. Now I tend to usually rinse the mixer and add the water as well. Be careful not to add too much water at the end of it. Give this a good mix. Once the gravy starts to boil and looks thick, let's add the marinated chicken pieces. Mix them well so it coats nicely with the gravy. Now close this and cook them on medium to low flame until the chicken is cooked halfway through. At this point, add some coriander powder, cumin powder, and some garam masala. Give this a good mix. Once the gravy starts to slightly boil again, add 2 tablespoons of yogurt. Give this a good mix and bring it to a complete boil. You can leave it at this because cream is absolutely optional. It does not alter the taste of the curry as much. So you could or not add the cream. Here I'm adding a little more pepper powder because I thought it needed a little more spice. Now add some kasuri methi. I didn't have them ready-made, so I had to dry methi and powder them. That's why they look vibrant and green. Now the gravy has started to boil, separating the oil. So now add the cream, which is optional again. You don't have to do it if you don't want to. Give this a good mix, and like I always say, let the curry sit for a while. Once it cools down, it thickens, it darkens, and it looks beautiful. Let me show you in normal light. There. The creamy chicken Malai Handi is now ready. You can enjoy this with some roti, paratha, or even rice. It is ridiculously easy to make, comes together in no time. Try this recipe and let me know how you liked it. I'll see you in my next one. Bye.